10 fascinating facts about jumping spiders. 1. Super leapers. Jumping spiders can leap up to 50 times their own body length, like a human jumping across a football field. 2. Incredible vision. They have 8 eyes, with the largest pair giving them sharp, detailed vision, almost like tiny binoculars. 3. Hunting without webs. Unlike most spiders, jumping spiders don't spin webs to catch prey. They stalk and pounce like mini jungle cats. 4. Silk safety line. Before leaping, they attach a silk thread to the surface, just in case they need a safety net. 5. Smart thinkers. Jumping spiders can solve problems and even plan their attacks by analyzing their surroundings. 6. Dances for love. Male jumping spiders perform elaborate courtship dances, waving their legs and bouncing to impress females. 7. Curious little explorers. They aren't just hunters, they're naturally curious, often turning their heads to look at things like tiny detectives. 8. Colorful personalities. Some species, like the peacock spider, have bright, rainbow-colored markings and perform stunning mating dances. 9. Wide travelers. Jumping spiders are found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to deserts, forests, and even mountains. 10. Super tiny but mighty. Though small, some species less than 5 millimeters long, they have remarkable speed, vision, and hunting skills that make them one of nature's coolest predators.